Good Tuesday morning, and thanks for checking out your forecast update. Nice morning. It's cold, but at least we have dry conditions out there. Hopefully you had a chance to see the supermoon, which will be the brightest supermoon of the year. Again, dry this morning, but you can start to see the changes to our south. We have some precipitation going on, areas like Alabama, Mississippi, and that's the precip that's going to start lifting our way as we go into tonight, bringing a round of some snow and sleet and some light snow accumulations overnight tonight, which will likely cause some slick travel out there. So let's take a look at the forecast radar as we go forward with this system. It looks like the snow will start to work in here towards about midnight tonight. So before midnight, we should be relatively dry, but from midnight through about 6 a.m. will be the difficult time frame for us, as we're going to see some light snow and some sleet across the area here, mixing with a brief area of freezing rain. And then as we go into about 6, 7 in the morning, this will go over to just rain as temperatures continue to warm. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we're talking about warm temperatures and just some rain out there. Here's a look at potential snowfall totals in general. We're looking at potential for a 1 to 2 inch snowfall along I-70 and north. There will be a few locations that see a little bit less. There could be a couple locations that get a little bit more as we go throughout the next 12 hours here. A lot of the snow that you will see overnight will disappear by mid-morning tomorrow. So if you sleep in tomorrow, you won't even know whatever snowed, because temperatures are going to warm back to 44 by tomorrow afternoon. And again, we have a winter weather advisory for this time frame from 10 p.m. tonight to 10 a.m. on Wednesday. And then as we go into Thursday, actually looks pretty good. Thursday into Friday, some of the best days of this week. A little bit of sunshine, a little bit of milder temperatures in the 40s. Enjoy that, because unfortunately, the timing of our next system will come in for the weekend, and this looks to be a very potent storm system, bringing the potential for some very strong winds, and it looks like some rainfall on Saturday, followed by some thunderstorms Saturday night, and then Sunday looks like a very windy day, along with some much colder temperatures behind the cold front as we go into early next week. So a lot going on, a lot happening as we go throughout the next 7 days with just a little bit of everything out there. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.